wonderful occasion, let us all welcome Kiara Cyril M. Estraza from Kindergarten St. Jude. Let us give her a resounding round of applause.
To our distinguished guest, our University President, Dr. John Octavius S. Alina, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Moses Alexander T. Asuncion, Vice President for Administration, Dr. John G. Calaban, Vice President for Finance, Ma'am Venica S. Acosta, Vice President for Mission and Identity, Reverend Father Philip A.U. CICM. To our compassionate Principal, Dr. Maria Cristeta M. Aduca, our University Chaplain, Reverend Father Alberto I. Tamisen, CICM, to our parents, guardians, visitors, loving teachers, and memorial completers. Good morning, peace, and all good. On behalf of the St. Mary's University Pisco community, I am so happy to welcome all of you to our moving up ceremony. Today is a very special day. For all of us, we have learned so many things. Our ABCs, numbers, colors, and even how to be kind. And how to live with the Marian values. We played, laughed, and grew together. And now we are ready for the next big step. Thank you to our teachers for helping us learn. Thank you to our parents and families for supporting us. And thank you to all our friends for making school fun every day. Let us all celebrate this accomplishment together and look forward to the bright future ahead. Thank you and congratulations.